Welcome to Doctor's Corner. Today we're going to talk about zinc, and the form that we're going to talk about today is zinc picolinate. And one of the main reasons for the zinc is that it's the second most abundant trace mineral within the body, next to iron. It's involved with over 300 enzyme activities, everything from digestion to nerve function to metabolism. So if the body does not have adequate amount of zinc, we have no immunity. Zinc is associated with immunity. This is why it's in low supply with seniors, with vegans, vegetarians, and with children. Even those that supplement with zinc are deficient in zinc because it is the kind of zinc that they're taking that does not absorb. So you say, how is that possible? Well, the body, when you're taking a mineral, the body has a barrier within the gut barrier, and it protects the nutrients from getting through. And zinc has a hard time to penetrate and go through the barrier of the stomach. So the picolinate, what that does, it binds the zinc element to picolinic acid, and that bonding mechanism also almost works like Harry Potter's cloak of invisibility. You put it on, and when it's going through the barrier, it just passes through, and it gets absorbed much greater than most of the zincs on the market today. Now you'll notice on our label that it says 10 milligrams of zinc and 50 in picolinate, because we like to tell you like it is. There's 10 milligrams of the element zinc bound to 40 milligrams of picolinic acid. That makes 50 milligrams of zinc picolinate, and that is the most absorbable form on the market today. Well, we have to also point out that there is an issue with people that are saying, does it have gluten? We could add gluten if that's what you really want, because we're getting calls every day. I'm sure that's not what you want. There is no gluten in our product. There is no additives whatsoever. It has zinc picolinate and just microcellulose, and that's vegetarian too, in vegetarian capsules. Again, we have questions on such a big bottle, and yet the capsules are so small. Isn't that bad for the environment, a waste of such amount of plastic in a bottle? Glad you asked that question. Let me answer that. This bottle is called a peat bottle, and the peat bottle are the most recycled bottle on the planet today. And the color, it does not allow light to penetrate. And to produce this bottle uses less oil than the other ones that may be smaller. So it's the most recyclable. It lessens the carbon footprint. So feel relaxed when you look at it and say, gee, there's not too many capsules in such a big bottle, because we had that thought in mind. So much so that we actually won the award for product sustainability for 2019 for our efforts in keeping our carbon footprint low as possible. So for zinc, find the one that is absorbable. Find the Life Choice brand, and you will not be disappointed, for it will absorb and your body will thank you later. Best of health. Bye for now.